everyone, Marlene here from Buffalo Check Chicks. So I picked up a couple of these wreaths from Walmart. I believe they were either $2 or $3, I can't remember. But I have two of them and they're going to flank either side of my entertainment center on those arches. So I fluffed them out, and this is a candy cane stake actually that I also found at Walmart. I believe it was $2. And I thought that was cute. I don't know if it's going to stay. And then I went down to Dollar Tree and I found this piece, snowflake, I guess it is, and a couple of bows and some red ornaments. And I thought I would go ahead and start building the wreath with these items. So I went ahead and I attached my buffalo check bow. And it had a twisty tie on it already, so I just twisty tied it to the back. That was simple enough. And I wasn't sure if I was going to like the red buffalo check, but I decided I really liked it. I have red buffalo check and black and white buffalo check, so why not? And it also on this peace sign, it had the red buffalo check, so I thought that looked pretty good. So the peace sign, I just used the twine it came with and tied it with that, just knotted it on the back, and now I'm going to be looking through my ornaments. I have a red satin and a red glittery, and then I found these silver glittery ornaments that I thought that would really add some brightness to it, so I really like those. So I'm just going to go ahead and set them around and decide how I want them placed, and I'm going to go ahead and hot glue mine on. But I wanted to tell you, go see my friend at Jody at Southern Seasons. She does beautiful wreaths, and she has a special way to attach it. On some of Jody's wreaths, in lieu of hot gluing it, because they're interchangeable, she uses a cage and she decorates the cage and then places that on top of the wreath. What a great idea. So go see her. You would absolutely love what she does with wreaths. Okay, so let's go ahead and continue on here. So I've got all my ornaments hot glued on to my wreath, and I think it looks pretty good. These are just, they're really simple wreaths, but I think they look nice. And now all I need to do is go back and fluff everything up and get them hung up on those arches. Be right back. So I have cut myself a piece of twine, and that's what I'm going to use to hang it on those arches. And those arches were arches that I had bought from Hobby Lobby a couple years back. I love to decorate them. So I've got my twine on, and now I'm just going to go back and make sure everything is fluffed up and looking pretty, and then I'll go ahead and get it hung up. But I want to remind you, go check out Jody at Southern Seasons. Beautiful Christmas decor, beautiful wreaths, and I really would love you to stop by and say hi from Marlene. So I've got it hung up here, and I apologize, it's very dark, but I'm really pleased with the way the wreath came out. And I'm going to go ahead and I'll get the other one made and hung up on the other side. Appreciate you guys watching. Love you guys. See you soon. Bye-bye.